bikes. I like the bamboo bikes of other resorts like Soneva or Gili, but these are like quite fashionable bikes. I don't know if you can see very well, but it's like a pretty cool bike that we have in here. It's really, really nice, and that's the entrance to the villa. Now, be ready to be completely blown away, because this villa is not only huge, but also incredibly beautiful and very different from anything you can see in the Maldives. So at the entrance, there's these like hooks here where the umbrellas are hanging. It's very stylish. The entire resort is very stylish, very fashionable, very sleek. The brand is a bit like that. And that's the living room area. So there's the minibar there. There's some sofas with some chairs and, you know, like a TV here. And like it's generally just a relaxation area where you can chill. The minibar is really nice. First of all, we got a really nice bottle of Ruinart again. Really nice full bottle of Ruinart champagne for us to enjoy. Really nice champagne. Then this is the rest of the minibar. There's the minibar list here. We have a nice fruit basket. I really love the brand's colors. This kind of copper, pink, golden color is very beautiful. It goes wonderfully and pairs beautifully with the blue of the Maldives water, which I will show you shortly. Here we have all sorts of glasses, lots of different glasses to, champagne, martini, even shot glasses. And then we have a nice blender where we can make our cocktails, a cocktail shaker, thermos to bring our drinks away with us, a beautiful nice designer kettle, and a very nice Ely coffee machine with the capsules. We also got some really nice chocolates to go with the champagne. Now let me show you. These are proper very pretty chocolates. I was told that inside it's handmade coconuts from the island that they picked up this morning. So I'm really looking forward to trying them with the champagne. That's what our butler said, that they are meant to be drunk with our champagne. Now, what else is here? I haven't even opened all of this, so let me open it and let's see what's there. Okay, so that's the fridge. Already the fridge is quite pretty, right? Like that's the minibar fridge. It has quite a lot of drinks in there. All of this is chargeable. Then we have all the premium alcohols here. Like this, they didn't pick the cheapest alcohol, right? Quite all of the spirits are quite premium options. And then what else is there? Oh, we have a mini. Okay, so this is a wine fridge. Let's see what else is there in the wine fridge. We have some white wine, some red wine, some more Ruinart, and two bottles of Ruinart. Should we wish to have some more champagne, there can never be too much champagne, right? And now let's see what's on the other side. Okay, like some snacks. So that's basically the living room. You can see that the living room also leads outside. The outdoor deck and the pool are huge. So there's a TV here and some books and so on. And then outside, all the way directly, there's a deck with some sofas. Now, this is not your typical Maldives place, right? Here we have proper sofas with proper fabric and nice... I'm pretty sure they are waterproof, but nice outdoor furniture is really beautiful. And now look at the sea. This sea is amazing. And wait, because you haven't seen it all. Let me turn right and be completely amazed by this pool. So this is the stairs to come up, and that's our freshwater, not saltwater pool. It is huge, right? Compared with Maldives standards. That's the outdoor deck. It's amazing. You have two sunbeds there. It's quite big because look where the next villa is. It's pretty far, and then on that side as well. So there's a lot of privacy. I don't think they are hearing me speaking now, even though I'm talking quite loud. So then let's go into the bedroom. The bedroom is also huge. So you can see there's 3 entrances, right? The bathroom, the bedroom, and then the living room area. So this is huge. I wish I could show you a drone picture so you would see how big the villa is. That's the bedroom. We have a nice desk here with, some board games. I just got here, so I'm not quite sure what's inside and how to get it open, but I'm guessing that this is a board game of sorts. We got our program for the weekend. So this weekend it's evoking 3 senses with 3 days. So we have some sound workshops, some scent tour, and an art tour as well. So it's scent, flavors, and sound. That's the opening weekend. So that's why pretty much everybody who's going to be here this weekend is media, journalists, and media representative from various publications. We have the welcome letter from Steve, who used to be the general manager at Gili, which was the resort that I was before. The key is pretty interesting. This is the key to open the room. It's inside a very nice pouch. It's very pretty. The branding of JOALI is very beautiful, right? It's all these colorful, tropical, golden, and colorful flowers, hibiscus. We got some 2 sarongs for tonight, because tonight there is a street food night on the beach, and then there's dance music in Murabar and Bodubero dance at Murabar. So we will be wearing the sarongs, which I was told I can put over my dress, and then, dance with everybody. We also have a nice Nokia. I love these Nokias. It's from when I was a teenager. My first Nokia was the 5110, which looked like this, and now it's vintage. To call our butler in case we need anything, and that's the bedroom. That's the bed. So the bed is pretty big, as you can tell. It's like a full super queen bed. What is really fancy is that, we have a phone and like some typical buttons here to manage the lights and so on. But what's very fancy is that we got a whole tablet to manage the entire room. From opening and closing the lights to working the TV, connecting the music, everything is here. We can close the windows, we can do anything we want, all electronically. We can watch, we can listen to the music, the light, the service, the curtains, everything is managed from here. The AC, which I have already, adjusted the temperature of. So everything can be done from here. Hopefully it will work well later. And then there is a few buttons here. The sleep button apparently turns the lights off, but it leaves the light sensors on in case you wake up in the middle of the night. Now, I don't know if you can see the detail of these doors, but they have been carved with leaves, palm leaves. Just the whole thing is just full of details, right? And again, you have direct view from the bed. From the bed, you have direct view into the sea. There is another TV there, which I really doubt we're going to use at all, and some nice, decoration items, like beautiful books there. What do we have? The Alchemist, Out of Africa, and some other, bestsellers and relevant books for travel. And then the bathroom. The bathroom is also huge, right? So this is our freestanding bathtub, white acrylic, I think. Let's see, yeah. Pretty beautiful. The bath salts are beautiful. Look at this soap. The branding is just beautiful, super beautiful. And then we have all of their JOALI bathroom amenities, which I haven't tried yet. And we have 3 different types of bath salts, including this pinkish bath salt that looks beautiful. A very big mirror and scales, and then 2 sinks, his and hers. This is gonna be mine. I just love this pink gold of the brand. Detox soap. Oh, I haven't even seen this yet. Shaving kit. Okay, maybe this is going to be near sink then. An amenity kit. Let's see what's inside the amenity kit. Let me see if I can open it without making a mess. Let's see. Maybe I need to use my other hand. It's a bit difficult to open something with one hand only. Okay, let's see. Good. Okay, so dental kit, the typical stuff. All very packaged in little boxes. Okay, I'll open it later, but you can see here, there's pretty much everything. I really love the branding. It's very beautiful. So this is the men's section, which means that the other side is going to be the female section. Let's see what I have. Yes, I have a beauty soap instead of a detox. Apparently men need to detox, women need to be beautiful. And then the amenity kit, let's see. Let's see if I can open this one without... Yes, okay. Maybe better this one. Let me put the phone down a bit. Okay, so, secret, that's what's inside. Hair clip, sewing kit, nail file, shower cap, cotton buds, dental kit, everything. The sink also is really cool. I saw the same thing. They had the same thing at the lounge. The glasses are very pretty too. It's just all the details, right? Everything is very beautiful, very well thought out to be quite premium. Now let's look at the rest. This is just the bathtub area, right? We have huge closet area with hers and his. Again, 2 different ones. His bigger slippers and brown. Hey, Laura. Thank you. And then the blue ones for me. There's a yoga mat down there, also branded. There is, I guess, a small little pouch to take with me for the small things. That's pretty smart, because when you go around the resort, you just have to, especially me, I carry so much electronics, right? And a nice beach bag, also branded. Very beautiful as well. So I guess that you can put the 2 together and take it around. Perfect for me. Even the coat hangers are branded and in the same yellow, in the same pink golden, very beautiful. And then there's, this bathrobe is super soft. I wish you could see, you could touch it, super soft. And then there's this more silky bathrobe for the day, very nice as well. And then there's, to put your makeup, hair dryer and straightener. So there's a hair dryer and there's a hair straightener. I don't use either, but I'm sure that a lot of people will find it useful. And then there's an adapter, which is very smart. And then what else is there? I'm opening all the drawers to see if there's anything. Nothing. And then the safe is inside this box. Good. Now, again, the bathroom has views of the sea and the pool on the other side. And then that's not all, right? Because there's the toilet and the shower, but there's also an outdoor shower. So let's have a look. So that's the usual. I'm assuming this is the shower because it would have better views than the toilet. Yes, beautiful green marble shower with the same pink, golden pink, and the same amenities and views over the ocean, thankfully with some curtains. On the other side, the toilet, probably nothing special in the toilet, but let me check it out anyway. Okay, this toilet is quite nice. And then outside, there's an outdoor shower, right? So let's check it out. Let's go outside. Oh, let me open. Cool. So let's see. Oh, very nice shower. Also very cool, unique shower head, something I've never seen. That's a really cool shower head. A green, some gardeny area here on the right. And then also the same sea views. Now let's check out the outdoor deck again. Like I don't know if you guys are liking this, but this is my 6th resort, and I thought it was gonna be really hard to wow me, but I'm completely wowed, right? Like as you can tell, I think that this place is pretty amazing. This pool is huge. We also have like a suspended little a net down there. We have candles. Well, they are electric candles, let's say, but I'm sure that at night is gonna be beautiful. And you can go here. Nice towels on the sunbeds. It is already chilling. Very beautiful sunbeds, as you can tell. Like it's like kind of like bamboo looking. I think it is probably made of wood, but it's made to look like it's bamboo. Like here, let's see with the sun. Yeah, maybe here you can see. And then down there, you go down into the water. Same for this net. And down there is the resort. Some more rows of villas, and then this is the main restaurant, if I'm not mistaken. We still have yet to explore a little bit the resort. So let's go back in. Let's see what else I can show you. I'm discovering this as I'm doing the tour, so because we just got here. So I don't know how you guys think, but I think this is pretty amazing. I am quite wowed.